Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be opening my Ipsy for December. This just got to me yesterday, so I wanted to sit down and film this. It's the daytime, but it is very dark and gloomy out right now, but it's also the shortest day of the year. So it's the winter solstice, so happy Yule. Everything is gonna get brighter from here on out, which I'm looking forward to. But that's not why you're here. You are here to open this, and I feel like I maybe got a little bit of spoilers because we've been having a postal strike here in Canada, or we did. It was over a number of weeks ago, but everything's still sort of catching up. So when I hadn't sort of received this by midway through the month, I went to Ipsy's website to do the package tracking thing, and a couple of things popped up, and now I'm not remembering what they were. So there's probably gonna be a couple of things in here I see and go, yeah, that's right, I saw that. Anyway, but at this moment, I don't remember any of that. So let's just get into this. It feels moderately full, and it feels like there is glitter. Ooh, check that out. That is one of their nicer bags. It doesn't have Ipsy stamped all over it. And I have so many of these bags to use as makeup bags. It's so nice when you can have one that, I mean, you could easily use this as a clutch, like going out to put, you know, wallet, house keys, that kind of thing in. That is really pretty. Now let's open up the sparkle and see what is in here. Okay, that's just the card. Be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. Check inside for our holiday gift to you, a bonus 6 glam bag product. Oh, that's fun. So there should be 6 items in here. There's something bubble wrapped. This feels like a pan of product. Okay. It's a brand I've not heard of before, which is always super fun. It is Catherine Natural Cosmetics. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. We have here a little pan of highlight. It's called Sienna's Highlight, Spread the Love. And they've got their hashtag Catherine Girl, Confidence, Strength, Courage. So that is the highlight. It's a really nice sort of pink champagne kind of color. So yeah, I will play around with that and see how it does. Next item. Ooh, okay. It's a little sample of the Professional. Now, I actually have a little sample of this that I've been using. Not sample, I bought the travel size, but then I have a full size of the Cover FX matte or pore filling primer, which is very, very similar to this. So I actually know somebody that I'm going to give this away to as a little Christmas goodie. But this is a really good product. If I did not already have this, I would have been super excited about getting that. I also love how the inside of this is bright pink. Okay, we've got a couple of pencil-y type items and then a bottle. What do we have here? So we have an eyeliner from Lottie London. I actually did a video on Lottie London and sort of their products and whether they're connected to Ciate London. It was kind of an interesting little bit of research on a new company. They are a low-cost brand. They are out of the UK. I will link that video down below. This looks like a pretty standard black pencil liner, but hey, happy to give it a try. And because these are inexpensive products, if it's a good pencil liner at a low price, that's always good. What's the other thing we got in here? Brush? Yes. This is from Farah. I feel like that was the brand that I got in my BoxyCharm for tweezers a couple of months ago. But this actually looks like a really nice, big, fluffy blending brush. Like it's got a good size to it. It's really pretty the way it kind of goes to this point, and you've got little grips on there. So it's got a little triangular part to grip onto the brush. Yeah, that'll be good. You know, it looks well made and soft and excellent. Always like a big fluffy blending brush. 2 items left in here, a bottle and a little cardboard box. Let's go for the bottle. Okay, we've got some IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, Deep Cleanse Level, Detoxifying, Oil Erasing, Scalp Smoothing. Okay, I go through a crap ton of dry shampoo. I would say I actually clean my hair every third or fourth day now, although you'll see I've got the braid going on. I've been wearing my hair up in buns so much that I'm noticing I'm starting to get a lot of hair breaking off. So I'm gonna try and attempt to have my hair down a little bit more so I don't get so much breakage, but this looks good. Excellent. And the final and sixth product is something quite heavy actually for the size of it. What do we got here? Bang Beauty. Okay. I think the one thing I've tried from Bang Beauty before was their gel eyeliner that I got in a BoxyCharm, and it was the most useless, dried up product. I'll link that video down below as well, but let's see what we got here. This is a blush. Okay, it's in a little gray plastic package. It is very hard to open. So it's in the shade Smoked Peach. It's just a peach kind of shade there. Nice big mirror in this little container. Okay, so it's peachy and seems to have some gold undertones to it. That is not very pigmented at all. Let me just get a little bit more of a thing here. Okay, so there it is. It's not super pigmented and it definitely has a sheen to it. It's a little bit more satin. Okay, so I'm actually pretty excited about all the products I got in here. I think they are good products, and I usually don't get that excited about the bag, but I think this is just really pretty and gorgeous, and I think, as I said, it'll work well as a clutch, which is really fun. So getting the sixth product was really good in there. All of them seemed, you know, good. Nothing in there I would look at and think, oh, I'd never use that. So excellent, a good Ipsy this month, a nice little December treat for myself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy these unbaggings, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. This is my Friday video, right? I'm all mixed up this week. Next week, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's Christmas week. I've got family coming into town, things going on. There may or may not be videos next week. They may be all over the place if I put them up. Not on my usual sort of Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule, but we'll see, and hopefully I'll be able to pop on at some point during the week. But if I don't see you before then, have a wonderful, Merry Christmas, and a good Boxing Day if you are in Canada, and possibly I'll see you next week, but I will see you in my next video. Bye!